This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a CN train coming in here. Or is it Via? No, it's Via. Passing a waiting CN. And he's leaving now. Look at that. Perfect timing. Looking here, we have a Dash 8 in the CN North America scheme. And this is a double stack train headed west that I actually saw earlier today downtown in Pointe St Charles on the Butler Street bridge. So I've caught up to it, which is interesting. I saw this waiting here, or actually racing it, on the EXO train when I was on that, coming into Dorval. So this will be the second time today filming this train at two different locations. So it's about it's 6 o'clock p.m. right now here at Dorval. So in this video we had eastbound Via train just leaving Dorval station on its way to Central Station, and this westbound double stack train with the Dash 8 in it, which are pretty rare now. They're going to be taken out of service eventually. Personally, my favorite paint scheme for those is the zebra stripe. The one we saw was, of course, of the CN map, CN North America from the 90s. While I was on that EXO train, I also did see a CP train over at La Chine, so there's a possibility I could get a third train here. We'll see. Yeah, and there's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Anything lined up yet? Nope. That CP train has not come yet.